Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharpening the blade on my mower. It's a MacAlister mower with the Briggs Stratton engine on it. Once I've done that, I will service it and show you the parts that I've used. Hi guys, I've had this mower for about 5 years, something like that. Never serviced it yet. Blade, looking at the blade, I'll give you a close up in a minute. It's looking a bit grim, to be honest, so I'll sharpen that up in a minute. But first of all, 14mm impact driver to get that off. Straight away, no issues. Take the blade off. Yeah, it's not best. I'll try to get you a close up. You can see there's a bit of pitting in it there. On the other side of it, as I say, I've had this for a few years now, never sharpened it, so give it a good clean up now. Leftover paint, we'll use that. In the meantime, a bit of a clean. Might as well give underneath a bit of a spray. I suspect got a little leak, and I think it might be coming from the carburettor. It might be a split pipe or something, but when I come to service that, I'll take that apart and replace that accordingly. Just helps giving it a bit of protection, that's all. Let that dry, bang it back together. Right guys, it's all dry now. Looks a lot better. Just a matter of popping this back on. Nice and tight. Job done. Okay guys, now for the service. First of all, old container, I'm going to drain the oil. The oil is here, you can see the little dipstick. It's pretty clean that, to be fair, so, but as I say, it's not been changed for a few years now, so out of the way. Okay, time to change the oil. All nice and clean. This is the oil that I had left over from the when I bought it new, so I can put all that in. Not sure how much it takes, to be honest, but just put a bit in at a time and keep checking the dipstick. Okay guys, I'm going to check the final oil level now. The capacity for this engine, which is the Briggs Stratton 500e, is 0.47 litre, just under half a litre. Luckily enough, I've just had enough in the old container, which bought a new one, but many more services to come. The oil's really clean. I'll double check it now, just check it. There's a little mark at the end. And that is spot on. I'll show you the mark. Well, if you can see it there, where the arrows are, around about there. So we're up and running. Next thing is the spark plug. Okay, the next thing, spark plug NGK, which is situated here. Get that little pull off into the way. It's easy enough. Quite a bit of carbon on it, but nothing too bad. New spark plug. We'll just nip it up, nothing too tight. Don't want to strip it. All sorted, spark plug now done. Next thing is the air filter, which is situated here. I'll show you that now. Okay guys, now for the air filter, which is here. There's just a little clip on the top here. Pull it off. Bit manky, but give that a clean before it goes back on. And that is the old one, as you can see. Quite a bit of petrol on there. Like I said earlier, I think I've got a bit of a leak coming from the carburettor. Now I've ordered a new carb, about 11-12 quid off eBay. That's coming soon, so I will add that to it later before I finish this video anyway. So I need to set this off, give it a bit of a clean out, which I will do now. Right, I'll give this a bit of a clean, because it's just a bit of WD-40. I could use a brake cleaner. I think I've got some in the garage, but this will do the trick. Okay guys, I'm going to take the carburettor off now. If you can see here, that's a 7mm small bolt. And to the right there is an 8mm for some reason, but I think there's one here as well that looks like an 8. So there's 3 bolts, 8mm, 7mm, 8mm. So we'll take that off and give it a good clean. Okay, once you pull the carburettor off, this needs to connect in from here you've got the clip there to the little throttle valve that needs unclipping, and down here, as you can just see, there's a little clip on there, that's the fuel line to the carburettor, so that needs coming off, and then we'll take it off. So first of all, I will take the fuel pipe from the bottom of the tank, so I expect a little bit of fuel, what's left in the tank, to come out here at this point. And there she blows, only very little. Then I just need to disconnect this, a bit awkward. And off she comes. Come on. Come on, you're nearly there. There we go. Now she's off. Just a bit of petrol coming out there. As you can see, I'll clean all that up. Okay guys, as you can see, try to clean this up a little bit. Right guys, we really want to make sure all this is properly clean and dry. I will let it dry later until I'm ready to replace it. Okay guys, new air filter. Some fuel in it. Spilling a bit, but prime it. Moment of truth. Beautiful. Done. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for joining me. As I say, I bought a new carburettor for it. I probably just used that as a spur, to be honest. Really pleased with the results. It's running really well and cutting really well now, so If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share, and leave a comment. And in the meantime, thanks very much and take care of yourselves.